Every year in the US alone, adverse drug events drive nearly 1 lakh emergency hospitalizations for older adults. The root cause is polypharmacy. Today, over 40% of the senior population take 5 or more prescription medications, creating a minefield of toxic interactions. Doctors know they need to deprescribe, but manually cross-referencing complex renal math with thousands of pages of guidelines takes too much time. So, in order to solve that, I present to you Unpill, an AI agent that simply generates a prescription report for a patient that tells how he should stop his medications and if he should discontinue them or not to begin with. Now, I have it already added onto my workspace, so I will just go on to the demo where I also have added the patient's advance. I will choose the first one and then I will test it with a generic chatbot. So you can simply test it by choosing the agent and asking it by saying, give me the prescription report for the patient, and it should take some time to respond. Agent has basically given us the output, and as you can see right here, it has basically generated a prescription report along with the medications and the instructions as what you should do for the treatment plans and all that. So now under hood, our agent first pulls the live data, which is basically his weight, active medications, and his serum creatinine. That I basically loaded on the dataset. Now, here our agent does simple math using the kidney function. Next, the agent cross-references the medication list against 2023 AGS Beard's criteria, which is a standard procedure for deprescription to follow. Along with that, it uses the LLM RxNave database, which it gets from the Open FDA API to check for silent drug-to-drug interactions that we might miss. Finally, we know that we cannot just flag a drug. We need a way to safely stop it. So here we use Nebraska deprescribing protocols to generate a step-by-step, clinically approved tapering schedule. Also, we have implemented security guardrails. So basically, whenever you ask it to, you know, like give it the data from the front end, it will simply deny it. And as for the safety standards, you can understand all the safety standards in the functioning itself. And that was Project Unpill.